To end our time together, we're going to do our tree yoga move. So raise up your branches, wiggle your leaves, make your trunk with your leg, and go into your yoga tree pose. While I'm in my practicing my balancing, the more you practice, the better you get at it, like most skills. I will give you your eco challenge. Your eco challenge is to go into your yard and find your south facing part of your yard. Once you've found the south facing part, find your north facing part, then your west facing part. What part of your house faces the ocean? And then your east facing part. And notice the windows that are facing south. And when you go inside the house, are those really the windows that get the most light? Was Miss Kari crazy, or does it actually work to know your direction? So that's your eco challenge.